Good morning. I am Christina Reddy. I am an artist. I am a teacher. I am a guide, helping people go through their journeys to reconnect with themselves, with their creative energies, with life. I believe we're all creative. That is just part of who we are as human beings. It's no surprise that children find joy in painting and drawing and making things, and there's something that happens. There's a huge disconnect that happens between childhood and then what we evolve to be as adults in this society. And in these times of such great change, on a microcosm and a macro, so within myself and all over the world, I find it so essential to reconnect with the anchor, with the center, for each and every one of us. And so while I go through my spiritual journey, my embodiment of my spiritual awakening, I see that it's also my responsibility to show up and share what I'm living through in hopes that it resonates with some of you and it can help you feel like you are being held. You know, like there's someone walking right next to you and just holding your hand through this whole process. Because part of what happens during a spiritual awakening is that we realize that there is no such thing as separation. If we have been searching for something, for like some form to complete the emptiness that we felt inside, if we were on this search, it's very likely we were following somebody, some guru, some teaching, some philosophy. It's very possible, and it was in my case, that we've been through many of these versions of these forms that have led us to the truth. And at the end of the day, they all converge into just one single thing. And I know this is something that you have definitely heard before, and that is that what we search for is within. And and yes, it's the same thing. It's this truth that there's a microcosm and a macrocosm. There's a reflection of life on every level. And as long as I'm searching for the truth outside of me, I am never finding it. There needs to be a pause, a stopping of the forcing through life, and kind of, that would just be the realization of what is, isn't it? Like I said, I cannot lead you to the truth, but I could be there holding your hand while you're finding it yourself. And I can also be here for myself, practicing the embodiment of what I have seen, what I have lived, and what I feel is now my responsibility to share. So, on that really wildly spiritual note, welcome to my channel. I am new to YouTube. I am not used to making videos. I have been escaping from exposure for a very long time. I have been teaching students, my own students. I teach at the university, I teach privately. And what I teach officially is art and design, right? But what I actually teach, what I find that I actually teach all of my students is this reconnection with themselves, this relaxation into being, the trust in life. I used to say that I teach them psychological paths and insights and not art, but well, it all goes hand in hand, right? So the more in touch we are with ourselves, the more in touch we are with our own creative power, we become a channel for art, for creativity. And I'm here to share all of this. Thank you very much for your attention, and welcome.